Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a brand new subscription to share with you and it is a Pretty Little Thing. Who knew? Who knew? So if you weren't already aware, Pretty Little Thing, we're bringing out beauty boxes every couple of months or so and you are able to purchase them as one-offs. If you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you might have seen some of my posts whenever they released a new box. But yeah, this was a bit of a shocker. But a good one, a good one. As this is new, you'll have to bear with me before all the information gets stored in my brain so I'm able to whittle it off without looking at notes for the next couple of videos that I do. The cost of the box is £15 and that includes your shipping. If you opt for a 3-month subscription, the cost of the box is £14.50. A 6-month subscription, which is what I've done. So you'll be seeing this box over the next couple of months, see what it's like, gauge an opinion and your thoughts as well. Your thoughts mean a lot to me, so make sure to tell me what you think. And the 6-month plan is £13.75. A 12-month plan is £13. It says payment is taken on the 1st of every month. Shipping is usually 2 to 4 days later. There's no discount codes and you can't use any of the Pretty Little Thing discount codes to have a discount off the boxes. And it doesn't say anything about shipping out of the UK. I am sure I have seen that it's just UK only. I will try and find out for you, and as soon as I find out I'll pop it down below in my description, as well as links to this subscription and information about the subscription as well. So if you're interested, then take a look in my description. But yeah, they say here the boxes will always have a minimum value of £40 or more. This month's box, the very first box, has a value of £60. So yeah, that's it. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. Love the little box it comes in. Really cute, isn't it? Really cute. Nice big box, but not much in it. A bit of excess packaging going on there, I think, isn't there? There's no leaflet either. And I know a lot of subscriptions are changing from providing a leaflet in the box, telling you about it, telling you about the theme, how much the products are and things like that, and sneak peek for the following months. They've stopped doing it and they now give you a little card with a QR code so you scan it for more information, which is great. Fine. It's cutting down on paper, totally get it, agree with it, but there's no information at all, not even a QR code in the box, and as far as I know there's no information on their website either. No, there's no information like a theme or anything like that. So basically it's a beauty box. They've gathered a few of their favourite products, put it inside and sent it out to you. But all the products that are featured in the box, you'll be able to get more information about them individually on the Pretty Little Thing website. So you just have to type the name in and the information will come up there. Being a beauty subscription box addict, I think, yeah, just those little touches, isn't it? Just those little touches just to make it a little bit special. What do you think? Am I talking bollocks? You think, no, Claire, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. The main thing about any subscription is the products. So let's dive in and show you the first. We got some lashes by Prima. Ooh. See, they're nice fluffy ones. I might be actually wearing Prima lashes on my lashes. I always have to cut them because they're always too big for me. But look, they're beautiful. I don't think I'm wearing these ones. The same ones. I don't know, maybe I am. I don't know. But I've cut mine. I've cut mine 3/4. So they don't look anything like that. But yeah, a nice big fluffy lashes there. No adhesive included. But yeah, I have to cut them down because I cannot stand the feel of them in the corners of my eyes. Oh no, hate it, hate it, hate it. So that's the first item. Next, we've got a Colour Wow. This is Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. Magically transforms texture, amazing humidity proofing powers. And there's 50 mils here. Now, I've never got on with this product at all. I have got naturally very thin, straight, fine hair, very quite fine hair, and I didn't like it at all, but I've currently got tape-in extensions, which I'm going to be taking out this week and redoing them. I've bought some extra tapes so I can do it all myself. Hopefully I can do it again, hopefully, but I love them. I absolutely love them. I love having thick, long hair permanently attached to my head. It's just amazing. So it might work with this hair. It might work because loads of people swear by it. They absolutely love it. But for my natural hair, without any hair extensions, I don't like it. Use every 3 to 4 shampoos. And it says shampoo, condition, towel dry hair, divide into sections, spray each section liberally, comb through, blow dry each sections, use intention, dryer heat required to activate product. So there's that. Then we've got a Pretty Little Thing revitalizing sheet mask with peptides. It says here, the perfect pick-me-up for your skin. The sheet mask revitalizes skin, tired skin with a cocktail of peptides and botanical collagen, replenishing your complexion and leaving you fresh-faced. It's got a sheet mask. We've got a This Works Morning Expert Hyaluronic Acid, 2% hyaluronic acid and slow-release vitamin C help plump and brighten skin. And there's 15 mils there. I've tried this a couple of times. Yeah, it's nice. I like the fact that it's got vitamin C in it as well. Then we've got a little teeny tiny sample. This is a Beyond Liquid Highlighter in Oh My God. And there's 2 mils there. Very, very, very pretty highlighter. It is gorgeous. But I would use that more on my lids as opposed to my face. It feels really nice as well. There's that. And then the last item is by Aghhh London, and this is Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in black. Got a little mini one there. Yeah. Yeah, it's a nice eyeliner. I've used them before, received them before a few times, and yeah, it is nice. Don't like their mascaras. But I do like their eyeliners. So those are all the products inside the very first Pretty Little Thing monthly beauty subscription box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. It's got some Prima lashes, got an Illamasqua Beyond Light highlighter, liquid highlighter. This Works Morning Expert Vitamin C and Hyaluronic Acid Serum, Colour Wow Dream Coat, a Pretty Little Thing Peptides Sheet Mask, and lastly an Aghhh London Black Liquid Eyeliner. So there's 6 products in all. The box has a value of around £60, and if you were to subscribe for a monthly subscription it will cost you £15. And I've forgotten already. See, I need a few to get me going. I've opted for the 6 monthly plan, so this cost me £13.75. For £13.75, it's a nice box. But it's not exciting. It is not exciting at all. It seems like nothing different whatsoever to any other beauty boxes out there. Besides the mask, everything else in this box, we see these products numerous times in these other boxes. I love the Pretty Little Thing beauty boxes that they've done previously. Really, really excited when I found out that they were doing this subscription. Had to get the first box, even though I saw the products on the website, because you can see it before you subscribe. So I knew what I was getting, but I had to get it because I wanted to lock in the 6-month subscription and so that I can share it all with you as well. But I am a little bit disappointed. There's nothing new here. Nothing exciting, not really. They're all quite small sizes as well. Besides the sheet mask, which we haven't had in other beauty boxes, we have had these numerous times. We see Aghhh London all the time. Colour Wow Dream Coat as well. And the lashes. You know, it's not a bad box whatsoever. It's not like, oh my gosh, do not spend your money on this. This is really bad. It's not that. It's just not exciting for a first box. It just reminds me of any other subscription box because of all the products inside. We've seen them all before, and they just happen to be the type of products that we've had numerous times as well. So yeah, I'm a little bit underwhelmed by it, but I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Are you going to subscribe like me, see what the next couple of months are like, or are you thinking, nah, it's not for me? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care. Bye.